Welcome back to the FL Studio Daily. It's whatever I'm doing. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna cap. I'm completely pretty tired today, so I'm just gonna take it easy and just mess around, and we'll see what happens here. So I'm not gonna try to have like a serious learning process today. Yeah, I appreciate comment I got on the video, how to hide the username up there. That is really helpful. I appreciate that. So let's get into it. What do I do? Let's see. Just let's make some silly ass club beat. Let's see what we can do. Okay, let's get some of that going. Let's get some of this shit going here. Alright, I just freestyled it for like 30 minutes. Obviously, that's what I do. I do 30 minutes. I don't know what I will. Like I said, I'm so exhausted today. I didn't even say shit. I did not talk the whole time I was doing that. So I don't know if I'll cut out all of that. And let me just. Here's what I did. Okay, so I just freestyled it up. I just tried a bunch of different stuff. It was kind of like testing. It was like a test of like what I know so far, and this is what I'll try to just explain what I did. Not that I did anything really, but all right. Let's just see what I have here. It's a bit of a mess. So, all right. So we have the kick pattern here, and today I practiced C minor. I was able to set that up with with Citrus, and like I learned before, the a chord should fit a whole bar, and this is a little monotonous. Like this is only in C minor. And so then I played around with melody here. So it's like that part there. And let me see if I can isolate that. And I was gonna keep it safe and have the melody at the same notes as the chord, but I don't think I did that actually. This was a C minor chord, and this is C, D, G. Okay, I think C minor is C, D sharp, and G. And I added, I guess the only difference is the F, but okay. I don't know, that just sounded right, just feeling it out. And this, okay, let me try to remember, because explaining it is good for me to try to remember what I did, try to understand it. This is an automation clip, so I'm testing the automation, and it's pitch. So this is automation on the pitch on the Citrus, and it created an interesting effect. And I had no idea it was going to do that, obviously, but I think that's a cool, like, kind of interesting intro type of thing. Like, we have the kick, and yeah, I mean, it's interesting. I don't know, and but that was completely accidental. And then I put in a shaker. Let's see what I have here with that. And I don't know. I just that just seemed right, but I don't know. And what else do I have here? Yeah, I put that shaker here as well. I don't know if that really works, to be honest, but okay. And then I have this. I chopped this thing. Nope. How do you even hear that? Okay, it's a wait sound. And I chopped it. I chopped it up here. And that's like here. Okay, it's like. And then I guess if I was still going with this, I would include the whole thing. I just want to see, how do I do the whole thing? Okay, so this is, what playlist is this in? Okay, that's annoying. Okay, that's the whole thing. There's got to be some better way to do that. Okay, let's just see. Something like that. Anyway, and then I don't know if that works, but and then I thought that eventually the hats come in, the hi-hats, so I just added that. I added them just straight, like every note, or I don't know. And that's what I did in my 30 minutes. So that's my summary. And honestly, I'm just doing a summary because I'm too tired to cut out the parts. And I didn't say anything the whole time. I was just doing it, just messing around, just freestyling. So that was fun. And I got to review some of the things that I have done up till now. So sounds good. I'll see you later.